Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you all a quick and simple everyday makeup routine for college and high school students. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. So I've already done my eyebrows, so we're just gonna already skip that step. Then I'm gonna go right into my primer, which is by Hard Candy. Then I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. This is actually a new foundation for me. I picked it up from Walgreens for $2.99. It's usually $5.99, $6. Not sure why it was so cheap at the time, but I got it. And I'm just, obviously blending that out with my sponge. But I must say, I really do like this foundation. It matches my skin perfectly. And I just really like it. It makes my face look really matte, and I like a matte look. But that is what I'm doing. It's just applying it all over my skin. And you will see that I will go in with the foundation a second time just to get a little bit more coverage. Also, comment down below if you've ever tried this Wet n Wild foundation before. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just going to conceal under my eyes, nose, forehead, chin, and all of those areas. So this routine is really good for those who don't really want to do too much every day, but like to look up to par every day, but just don't want to do too much. So I really like this routine, especially for beginners who are just now into makeup, just like me. I'm going in with some e.l.f. powder, and I'm just going to put some powder in those areas where I concealed, just so that it won't like crease up or anything. And this is actually new in my routine. At first, I wasn't using any powder, but I finally decided to go ahead and get some, and I'm really glad that I did get some, because it makes my foundation look a little bit more matte, and my foundation doesn't look like greasy or oily at the end of the day. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Mist and Set Spray just to set my face and everything. And then I'm going to go in with my It's Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. going in with my Kat Von D liquid matte lipstick, and then I'm going to go on top of that with some lip gloss just to make it glossy instead of matte. So you can go with any lip gloss of your choice, but I just decided to go with some Victoria's Secret lip gloss that I had on hand. Lastly, I'm going in with these liquid highlighters that I got from Shop Miss A that my sister actually gave me, and I'm going to use that to highlight on my cheekbone, nose, and those areas that you will see me applying it to. Yeah, this is the finished makeup look. Very quick, simple, and easy for those who are in high school and college students. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.